In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download published quotes in HubSpot 2020. Let's dive in and break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow steps, ensuring that you can effortlessly navigate through the HubSpot interface and download your quotes without a hitch. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This guide is your gateway to managing various aspects of your account, including commerce-related tasks like downloading quotes. Accessing the user guide ensures that you are in the right place to start this task. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing you want to do is direct your attention to the commerce section. This can usually be found in your main menu or dashboard within the HubSpot interface. Clicking on Commerce will open up a straightforward view of all your commerce-related tools and functions. From the menu under Commerce, locate and click on the Quotes section. This will present you with a list of all your created quotes. It's a crucial step because this is where you'll find all the quotes that have been published and are ready for export. Moving forward, after you have accessed your quotes, the next step is to locate the Actions button. This button usually offers a drop-down menu with several options related to the quotes you've selected. It's important to ensure you are selecting the correct quotes that you wish to download before proceeding. Within the Actions menu, you will find an option that says Download Published Quotes. Clicking this will initiate the process of exporting your quotes. It's a very user-friendly feature designed to streamline your workflow by giving you quick access to downloadable files that you might need for further analysis or record keeping. After you have clicked to download, you should see a notification or alert that your quote export is ready. This confirms that the process has been successfully completed and your download link is ready. Simply click on the notification to begin downloading the file directly to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the HubSpot interface to download your published quotes. By following these steps, you can easily manage and access important documents right when you need them. Remember, having an organized approach to downloading and managing your quotes in HubSpot can significantly streamline your business processes and save you a lot of time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps as often as necessary, and don't hesitate to explore more features in HubSpot to maximize your productivity.